Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can use NameDrop in your iOS 17. So NameDrop is basically this feature. Let me show you what NameDrop is for those people who do not know, alright? So if you place your phone on top of each other like this, then basically iPhone is going to allow you to share contact wirelessly in an easy way. That is what NameDrop is. And in order to use NameDrop, you need to turn on a certain setting. And let me show you what that is. So first thing, you want to open up your iPhone setting. And once you open up your iPhone setting, from inside iPhone setting, you want to go on versus general. Now once you're inside general, the third option where it says AirDrop, you want to click on AirDrop. Now once you're inside AirDrop, it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, the last option where it says bringing device together, you need to turn that on. And make sure it's turned on in both the device, because if it is only on your device, and it's off on your friend's device, if you try to name drop each other, it's not going to work because in their phone it's disabled, so it's not going to work. So make sure this setting is on both of the phone. And once this setting is on, what you have to do is just basically put your phone on top of each other. Once you put your phone on top of each other, if the name drop is enabled, then it's going to automatically sync both of your phone, and you should be able to transfer your contact with each other. That's how simple it is to use NameDrop in iOS 17. And remember, this feature is only available for iOS 17. So if you don't have that, make sure to update it. And if the update is not available for you, then sorry, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use this feature. So that's how you guys can use NameDrop in iOS 17. Just make sure to place your phone on top of each other. Sometimes it might not work, so just make sure to try again and again until it works. But most of the time it works the moment you place your phone on top of each other just like this. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will see you guys next time.